Assalamu alaikum students. I am your teacher Miss Sobia, and today we will discuss your history section chapter 27 of class 6, the rise of the Muslim Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Topic: Sir Syed Ahmad Khan and the Muslim in the subcontinent. Objective: to understand Sir Syed's role in and the reaction of contemporary Muslims. Resources that I have used: textbook, library, encyclopedia and internet. Introduction. By going through these short questions you can easily understand the whole chapter. Questions I am repeating for you all. How would someone feel when deprived of his privileges and position? Would you like to cooperate with the people who have taken away your rights? Have you heard of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan? Your first heading is after the collapse. After the collapse of the Mughal Empire and the defeat in the War of Independence, the Muslims were set back considerably. The Hindus controlled commerce and industry, and having acquired education got the best jobs. The Muslims, on the other hand, were left behind with low paid jobs or as agricultural workers. They had unwisely rejected Western education and thus could not participate in the government or cooperate with the Hindus. However, the minority of educated Muslims was keenly aware of these differences. Foremost among them was Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, family, educational and professional background. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, born in Delhi in 1817, he belonged to an old and prominent family. After receiving a traditional education, he joined the East India Company and became a judge in Delhi in 1846. During and after the War of Independence, most of the Muslims did not approve of Syed Ahmad Khan's attitude. He tried to stop the Muslims from opposing the British and began to work actively towards bringing about greater understanding between them. He tried to make the British realize their unfair and unjust treatment of the Muslims in showing greater favor to Hindus. He realized that Muslims would not progress successfully without knowledge and tried to highlight the importance of education and modern science. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan wrote many papers and books in Urdu and English. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan efforts and achievements. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was awarded the title of Sir in 1888. Sir Syed was great supporter of education, and his most important contribution perhaps is the setting up of the Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College in Aligarh in 1875. This eventually became the Aligarh University in 1921. Sir Syed gave the Muslim the confidence to compete against the Hindus. When he saw the growing distance between Hindus and Muslims, he told the British that when they gave political power to the Indian people, they must do it separately for Muslim and Hindus. This was the beginning of two-nation theory, which eventually led to the establishment of two countries when the British left in 1947. Reinforcement. You have to collect information about the contribution of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan to cause of education and for Muslims of the subcontinent. Find out the names of important Muslim leaders and intellectuals who studied at Aligarh University. List them according to date and put up the list on the computer paper and share with us. Thank you.